Hello everyone, I'm Mahesh Lambade. Today I am going to teach you very important topic, components of Tinkercad. So let's start. First of all, log in your Tinker account with your email ID and password. So this is the opening screen of Tinkercad. Then you have to click on create new design. It will take 2 minutes time. So this is the opening screen. So this is the interface of Tinkercad. So this one is the view cube. This is the view cube. By using this, you can view your object or your design in different angle. For example, this box, and you have to see this box in different angle. By using view cube, you can see in front, then right corner, then back side, then left side, from the bottom. Okay, you can view your object in different way by using this view cube. Then second one, zoom in and zoom out. If you want to zoom the design, just you have to click on zoom button. If you zoom out, then click on this zoom out button. Okay, so this is the zoom in and zoom out. Then next one, this is the work plane. This is the working area where you can create your design. The next one, toolbar. So this is the toolbar of Tinkercad. So it will be highlighted when you click on the object. See this one? All this tool activated. This one is the copy. By using this, you can create one copy of object and paste it. See this one? Two box created. Then this one, duplicate. So it will create same object. Okay, like this one. Then this one, delete. If you want to delete any objects, first of all you have to click on that object and click on delete option. This is the undo. When you click on this undo command, so you will see back this last action you will perform. Means by default up when you click any object and you deleted this object, you want this object, that time you can use undo button like this one. And this one is the redo. You can remove the last action which you perform by using redo. The next one, show all. So if you created one design and you hide something and you have to see all object which is present on your work plane, you can use this feature, show all. And this one is group. So if you want to join this two objects together, for example, you have to join this one. Just you have to select both the object and click on group command. See this one, two boxes joined together. See this one. Okay, then this button is ungroup. So you group two boxes and you have to ungroup this one. Then select this object and click on ungroup. So this one, this is ungroup. Then align, you can give the alignment of your object by clicking on align. Then you can use this mirror option to view your object in mirror format. Then next one, this one is the ruler. So ruler is used to measure the distance between the object and measure the different diameter of your object. So when you use the ruler, that time you can use this circle for moving the ruler, changing the location of ruler, and when you put any object near the ruler, it will show all diameter of this object, height, width, length, all this one. And this is the shapes. Okay, these are the different shapes. Here already designs are available. You can use any designs by using this drop down list. You can use text and number. If you want to use text and number, that time you can use. If you want any character, you can use different types of characters also. Okay, this one. And how to insert these shapes on the work plane by using mouse. Just left click and drag and drop on work plane. Then by using mouse also you can view your object like this one. By using scroll button you can zoom the object. Right now I'm using scroll button, but then you can right click and hold and move your work plane in different angle. Just right click on work plane and hold it and you can see your object in different angle. And by using scroll button you can zoom it and zoom out. Okay, and one more feature, by using arrow key you can move your object into different location. Like this one. Okay, so this is the components of Tinkercad. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye bye.